How to find legacy contact settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find legacy contact settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find settings, click on it and then just here you will find it personal and account information, and then click account ownership and control and click memorialization settings, and here you can find legacy contact settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.